Hey, I'm Tyler,
And I'm David.
and today we're here to talk to you about our Senior Design Capstone Project. It was sponsored by Structure Medical and our mentor, Joshua Tarbutton. Hey David, who is Structure Medical?
That's a great question. So, Structure Medical is a company that makes titanium medical implants for surgeries across the nation.
David, what is lights out manufacturing?
That's a great question. So, lights out manufacturing means that when everyone goes home for the day on Friday, that Structure Medical can keep creating parts.
David, that sounds like a really important part of Structural Medical's business process.
Yes, unfortunately, sometimes the machines will jam over the weekend, which means someone will have to come in from their weekend off and fix it. And while that machine's down, Structure Medical is losing a bunch of money.
How has Structure Medical tried to solve this problem?
I'm glad you asked. So what Structure Medical did is they talked to UNC Charlotte about having a senior design team create a 5-axis milling machine parts cleaner, which is what we made here today.
Wow, that is really interesting, David. So how does this help their problem?
So what this will do is it will get off all the chips and all the oil that normally comes with the manufacturing process, so that nothing can get in the machines and nothing can jam them, causing them to go down.
Wow, that is pretty neat, David. Is there any other benefits this has too?
Yes, this machine also recycles very valuable cutting fluid and reduces spills and drips that would normally come from just like placing these devices on a cart or something, and reduces safety hazards in general to prevent slippage.
That sounds like a really important machine, David. Could you walk me through this?
Sure. Here. Come on, guys. I'll walk you through too. We just place this right in here, and this belt drive system will rotate this pallet at 4 revolutions per minute. While this and this right here will blast oil and air at it. Let's take a look downstairs. The oil will come down here with all the chips and it will land in this perforated basket. The perforated basket will pick up all the larger chips, and then the smaller ones will be filtered out using a canister filter down here. And it will all be sent around using this pump right here that can go at up to 10 gallons per minute. You just press the touch screen that's up top and you're good to go.
David, is there anything you could do to improve the project maybe?
Well, of course, we're really happy with how everything turned out. But if we had the time and budget, we would love to add an automated arm to the machine, so that way it could grab pallets off the carousel and place it in the machine all autonomously.
That does sound like a nice improvement. Well, thanks for your time today and walking me through the project. We hope to see you at the Senior Design Expo, and we'd love to even show you this how it works. See you then.
See ya.